Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're joining the meeting now. Confirm your organizer or presenter so recording is allowed. Next, enable your microphone and camera and choose any screen or window you'll share. This ensures audio and video are captured. Once done, close unrelated apps and set Do Not Disturb to prevent notification sounds. Make sure captions and meeting options are set if you need them. Taking these steps first prevents missing content and reduces post-recording edits. You now start recording for more actions. Choose Start Recording, and if desired, start transcription to get a live text file. Next, share the screen, window, or PowerPoint live so viewers and the recording capture the right content. This also aligns video and slides. Make sure to monitor participant audio levels and mute background noise sources. If you need a specific speaker framed, pin their video or use focus mode. That keeps important visuals prominent in the saved file. When you're done, click More Actions and stop recording. This ends capture for everyone and triggers upload to OneDrive or SharePoint automatically. Then wait for processing. Processing time depends on length, and find the file in the meeting chat or the Channel Files tab. If the recording is missing audio or video, check Teams app permissions for camera and microphone and verify that your organization allows cloud recordings. Also confirm the OneDrive/SharePoint upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.